The Space Shuttle was a partially reusable spacecraft system operated from 1981 to 2011 by the US as part of the Space Shuttle program. Its official program name was Space Transportation System, or STS. During the 50s, the United States Air Force already proposed using a reusable piloted space vehicle to perform military operations. In 1968, NASA created the Space Shuttle Task Group to determine the optimal design for a reusable spacecraft. NASA reviewed 29 potential designs for the Space Shuttle and decided on its final design with 2 solid-propellant boosters to reduce costs. In January 1972, President Richard Nixon approved the shuttle. On June 1974, Rockwell began construction of the first orbiter, which would later be named Enterprise. That was designed as a test vehicle and did not include engines or heat shielding. Construction was completed on September 1976. It was used in approach and landing tests, but had no orbital capability. The first of 4 orbital test flights occurred in 1981, leading to operational flights beginning in 1982. 5 complete Space Shuttle orbiter vehicles were built and flown on a total of 135 missions from 1981 to 2011, launched from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Operational missions launched satellites, interplanetary probes, and the Hubble Space Telescope, conducted science experiments in orbit, participated to the Shuttle Mir program with Russia, and in construction and servicing of the International Space Station, ISS. Space Shuttle components include the orbiter vehicle with 3 clustered rocket main engines, a pair of recoverable solid rocket boosters, and the expandable external tank containing liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The Space Shuttle was launched vertically, like a conventional rocket, with the 2 solid rockets operating in parallel with the orbiter's 3 main engines, which were fueled from the external tank. The orbiter was protected during re-entry by its thermal protection system tiles, and it glided as a spaceplane to a runway landing, usually to the shuttle landing facilities at the Kennedy Space Center. 4 fully operational orbiters were initially built: Columbia, Challenger, Discovery and Atlantis. Of these, 2 were lost in mission accidents, Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003. A 5th operational orbiter, Endeavour, was built in 1991 to replace Challenger. The Space Shuttle was retired from service following Atlantis' final flight on July 21, 2011.